Okay, this is going to be an update before I fix the plug hole that I was talking about that blew out when you think you have a rod knocking. Anyways, I haven't fixed it yet, so I thought, you know what, why don't I just start it up, that way I could do a recording of what it sounds like. That way you can hear it sounds like a rod knocking. Yeah, keeps wanting to stall out for some reason. Anyways, you can hear that. It sounded a lot different the other day where I was. It was a lot louder. It didn't sound like that compression that you hear. And it's probably because I got all the wire and stuff out of there. But yeah, it really sounded like rod was knocking around in there. It doesn't sound too bad this time. Now it sounds more compression. But anyways, just thought I'd do a quick one before I repaired it. Late.